As a content creator, at some point, you're going to want to add sound to a video. It may be music or sound effects or maybe even a voiceover, but the time will come. I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 minutes or less with OpenShot free video editor. With OpenShot open, go up top left, click the plus sign to pull in the file you want to work with. Now this file already has some sound, but we want to remove it and add something different. So we're going to pull it down to the timeline. We can play it through and you can hear it's got a sound, it's fine, but we want to replace it. So there's a couple of ways you can reduce the sound or get rid of it altogether. You can left click on the file. Be sure the playhead is all the way back to the beginning. Once you left click, go to volume, go down to entire clip and down to level 0, and you can make it 0 or you can make it anything from 0 up to 130. But we want to get rid of it. The other way is to select it, scroll down on the left until you see volume, click in the blue, make it a 0, click away, and now there's no sound for that file. So we're going to go get a different sound and add to it. Go back up to the plus sign, pull in your clip. This happens to be MP3, but OpenShot can handle WAV and FLAC and many other formats. You want to pull this down to the track below the clip you're working with. Then you can select it and slide it and make it equal to your video file. Now when we play it, we get a wind sound. Now if that's too loud or too low, again, right click, go to volume, entire clip, and you can change the level of that clip, or you can go over to the left and you can change it from 0 to 100 or even greater. Okay, so remember you can do this for voiceovers, music, sound effects, whatever you need to do. This is a real simple and free way to do it. If you want more videos like this that are quick and to the point and don't waste your time, just come back to see us. If you got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.